you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity.
Hey guys, this is Jitendra, and I will just kind of think, over the years, there's been a lot of internet challenges like eating a cinnamon or dump cold water on yourself. So to do these kind of challenges, you don't require a great talent. But coming to me, I don't have any kind of super califragilistic expialidocious talents. But there is one good thing with me. Basically, that is I have a very good visual memory, aka photographic memory. So whenever I look at a map, I can memorize it very well. And yeah, so coming back to this video, in this video I will try to memorize all the countries which are officially recognized by the United Nations organizations, and I will try to memorize all the countries within a single shot, and that too with this blindfolded. So that too with this blindfold mask. So yeah, that's it. I'm starting. So I will start from Northern American continent. So in North American continent, there is Canada. To the south of Canada, there is USA. Then there is Mexico. Then there is, to the south of Mexico, there is Guatemala. Then to the to the northeast of Guatemala, there is Belize. Then to the south of Guatemala, there are two countries, namely El Salvador and one more country, it's called Honduras. To the south of Honduras, there is Nicaragua. Then to the south of Nicaragua, there is Costa Rica. Then to the south of Costa Rica, there is Panama. Yeah, that's it with North American and Central American countries. So now I'm moving on to Southern American countries. So I'm starting with Colombia. Then to the east of Colombia, there is Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana, Brazil. To the south of Brazil, there are two countries, namely Uruguay, Paraguay, and there is one more country, it's called Argentina. Then to the west of Argentina, there is Chile. Then to the north of Chile, there are two countries, namely Bolivia and Peru. Yeah, Peru. To the north of Peru, there is one more country, it's called Ecuador. Yeah, that's it with Southern American countries. I hope I got everything correct. So now I'm moving on to Caribbean countries. So in Caribbean island countries, I'm starting with Bahamas. Then there is Cuba. Then there is Jamaica. Then there is Haiti, Dominican Republic, Saint Kitts and Nevis, Antigua and Barbuda. Then there is Dominica, Saint Lucia, Saint Vincent and Grenadines, Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago. Then there is Barbados. Yeah, that's it with Caribbean countries. Now I'm moving on to European continent. So in Europe, I'm starting with Ireland. Not Ireland, it's Iceland. So to the south of Iceland, there is Ireland, UK. Again, to the north of UK, there are three Scandinavian countries, namely Norway, Sweden and Finland. Then there is Russia, then Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania. To the south of Lithuania, there is Belarus. Then there is Ukraine. Then to the west of Ukraine, there is Moldova. Then to the west of Moldova, there is Romania, Bulgaria, Greece. Then to the north of Greece, there are two countries, namely one is Albania, the other is Macedonia. To the north of Macedonia, there is Kosovo. Kosovo is actually a disputed country, but still I am memorizing it. Then to the north of Kosovo, there is Serbia. Then to the north of Albania, there is Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Then there is Croatia. Then there is Slovenia. To the north of Slovenia, there is Hungary. Then to the north of Hungary, there is Slovakia. Then to the north of Slovakia, there is Czech Republic. Then there is Poland, Germany, Denmark, Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, France, Spain, Portugal. And between France and Spain, there is one small enclaved country. It's called Andorra. Then between France and Italy, there is one more small enclaved country. It's called Monaco. Then to the north of Italy, there is Switzerland and Austria. Between Austria and Switzerland, there is one small sandwiched country. It's called Liechtenstein. And within Italy, there are two more small enclaved countries, namely San Marino and Monaco. Not Monaco, it's Vatican City. Then to the south of Italy, there is one small island country, it's called Malta. There is one more small island country in the Mediterranean Sea. It's actually near to Turkey. So it's called Cyprus. Yeah. that's it. I guess I have done with the Europe. Now I'm moving on to Africa. So I'm starting from Egypt, then Egypt, Libya, Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco, Western Sahara, Mauritania, Niger, Chad, Sudan, Ethiopia, Eritrea, Djibouti, Somalia, Kenya, Uganda, South Sudan, Central African Republic, Cameroon, Nigeria, Benin, Togo. Then there is Gold Coast or Ivory Coast. Yeah, Gold Coast. Gold Coast. To the east of Gold Coast there is Ivory Coast. Then to the north of Ivory Coast there is a small enclaved country. It's called Burkina Faso. Then to the west of west of Gold Coast. Yeah, west of Gold Coast there is Liberia, Sierra Leone, Guinea-Bissau, Senegal, and Gambia. Yeah, that's then coming back to Cameroon, to the south of there is one more small island country. It's called Cape Verde, which is actually near to Gambia. So then coming back to Cameroon, to the south of Cameroon there is Equatorial Guinea. Then to the south of Equatorial Guinea there is Gabon, Republic of Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo. Then within near to Democratic Republic of Congo there is one more small island country. It's called Sao Tome and Principe. I'm very bad at pronunciation, so please bear with me. So then to the east of Democratic Republic of Congo there is Rwanda, Burundi. Then there is Tanzania. To the south of Tanzania there is Mozambique. To the south of Mozambique there is South Africa, and within South Africa there are two enclaved countries, namely Lesotho and Eswatini. Recently Swaziland name got changed to Eswatini. Then to the north of South Africa there are three countries, namely Zimbabwe, Botswana, and Namibia. To the north of Namibia there is one more country. It's called Angola, I don't know, I don't know the pronunciation. And to the north of Zimbabwe there is Zambia. And there are some island countries which are to the there are some island countries in the African continent which belong to African continent. To the east of Africa there is Madagascar, there is Seychelles, Comoros, and Mauritius. Yeah, that's it with Africa. Now I'm moving on to Asia. So in Asia I'm starting with Turkey. So to the south of Turkey there is Syria, there is Jordan, there is Saudi Arabia, and to the east of Syria, to the west of Syria there are two countries, namely Lebanon and Israel. So to the south of Saudi Arabia there are two countries, namely Oman and Yemen. To the east of Saudi Arabia there is United Arab Emirates. Then there is Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan. So now all Istans will start. So starting with Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, and coming back to now it's India. So from near to India there is Nepal, Bhutan. There are Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. There is one more island country which is down south to Sri Lanka. It's called Maldives. So then to the east of India there is Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia. To the south of Thailand there is Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, and within the Indonesian archipelago you can find two small island countries, namely Brunei and East Timor or Timor-Leste. So there is one more island archipelago in Pacific Ocean. It's Philippines. Then there is Taiwan. Then there is China, Mongolia, North Korea, South Korea, and then there is Japan. I guess I didn't miss anything in Asian continent. So now I'm moving on to Oceania. So I'm starting with Australia. Then there is New Zealand. Then there is to the north of Australia there is one island country. It's called Papua New Guinea. Then there is Solomon Islands, Vanuatu, Fiji. To the southeast of Vanuatu Islands, I'm very bad at pronunciation, so please bear with me. So to the southeast of Vanuatu there is Fiji, then there is Tonga, then there is Samoa. Then to the northwest of Samoa there is Tuvalu, then there is Kiribati, Nauru. Then to the northeast of Nauru there are three island countries, namely Palau, Palau, then Palau, Federal States of Micronesia, and Marshall Islands. Yeah, I guess I have done it.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround